Weather Service in Newport has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Jones County in eastern North Carolina, southeastern Crittenden County in eastern North Carolina, Pamlico County in eastern North Carolina until 2:30 a.m. Friday. At 7:37 p.m., Hurricane Florence had brought between 2 and 3 inches of rain to portions of the warned area. Heavy rain from Florence's rain bands will continue through this late tonight. Flash flooding will likely begin across the area. Area creeks and streams are expected to come out of their banks. Please continue to shelter in place if flood waters threaten to move to the highest level possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Havelock, James City, Trent Woods, Florence, Great Neck, Riverdale, Olympia, Mortonsville, Croatan, Maribel, North Carolina Pamlico, North Harlow, Merritt, Catfish Lake, Moose Forest, Cherry Branch Ferry Terminal, and Fairfield Harbor. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 5 inches are possible in the warned area. More rainfall expected overnight and into Friday. Additional flash flood warnings in addition to this are likely as this event unfolds. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.